I've been analyzing Silverados for 15 years, and I know a mechanic who has been working with trucks for 20 years. He told me something important. There are 3 years that I see very rarely coming back with problems, 3 that owners never let go. If you own one of these 3, you have rarity. Subscribe now. Comment your year with miles. Let's find out if you're part of the rare club. The mechanic sees everything. 2020 coming back, 2015 with problems, 1990s getting tired. But there are 3 years that are different. 3 that reach 200,000, 300,000, 400,000 miles and keep running strong. Owners of these 3 years keep them forever. No, they have rarity. Today, you're going to discover if yours is one of them. 3 years, 3 generations, let's go. First year, 2006. If you own 2006, congratulations, you caught the last perfect GMT 800 year. The mechanic smiles when he sees 2006. Last year before everything changed. Last year old construction. Last year that never stops. Year 2006, golden closing of GMT 800. 8 years of refinement applied. Quality still high, costs not yet cut. Mechanic sees 2006 with 300,000 miles, normal. 400,000 happens all the time. You have 2006, you have the last of the classics. You have rarity that the market seeks. While 2007 had first-year adjustments, yours escaped that. While earlier years rust out, yours has better treatment. You have gold, last year of the classic era. Second year, 2012. If you own 2012, you caught the perfect year. GM took experience from 2011, refined it, improved it, perfected it. The mechanic says something strong. 2012, if I could have any year, it would be 2012. It's the rarest to have problems. Why? Because 2012 is the perfect sweet spot. 6L80 transmission matured, no bugs from 2011. 5.3 motor at its peak. Electronics still simple, not complicated like 2014 plus. Mechanic sees 2012 coming into the shop. It's for oil, never serious repair. 2012 owners, most loyal of all. No, they won't find better. You have 2012, you have exactly what professionals want. You have absolute rarity. Third year, 2019. If you own 2019, you caught the modern one done right. The mechanic explains, 2019, last year before 2020 complicated things. Last simple modern year. Year 2019 has everything modern, but without new drama. 10-speed transmission refined. 3 years of adjustments applied. 5.3 Ecotech motor matured. Technology functional, not problematic. It's the last before the 2020 changes. Mechanic sees 2019, relaxes, knows it won't give trouble. Commercial fleets, look for 2019 specifically. Last reliable before complication. You have 2019, you have the rare modern one. While 2020 plus has drama, yours runs smooth. You caught modern rarity, last of the simple ones. 2006, 2012, 2019. 3 years, 3 generations, one thing in common, rarity. The mechanic sees hundreds of trucks every month. These 3, always strong, always rare to have problems, always worth it. If you own one of these 3, you don't have a common truck. You have rarity, even without knowing it. You're part of a special club of the rare ones, of those who chose right. Now I want to know, which of the 3 do you have? Comment year with miles now. 2006, comment. 2012, comment. 2019, comment. And if you have another year that's also rare to have problems, comment too. Let's celebrate all strong Silverados. Like this video, share it. Next video tomorrow at 8 p.m., Frame Inspector reveals the years with indestructible frames. You don't have a common truck. You have rarity. See you tomorrow, Silverado family.